Hello friends, welcome to another Excel QuickBytes video. In today's video, we are going to see some useful keyboard commands, which I personally find very useful. Let's get started. Ctrl-Shift-1 formats the number in 2 decimal places. Ctrl-Shift-2 formats the number to time. Ctrl-Shift-3 formats the number to date. Ctrl-Shift-4 formats the number to default currency format, and Ctrl-Shift-5 formats the number to percentage. Symbols above each number is a quick way to remember the shortcuts. There are multiple instances where we quickly need to display the data into the right format, and these shortcuts make our job easy. For further customization, use Ctrl-1 to bring up Format Cell window. This offers a wide variety of formatting options. The next I use frequently is applying and removing data filters. This can be achieved through Ctrl-Shift-L. Using this command, I can toggle between applying and removing filters. Using Alt and down arrow keys, I can quickly review the data in the table. To remove it, hit Escape. Using the Control and arrow keys, I can navigate between the first and the last cells of the table. And if I add Shift key to it, it helps me in selecting the required range. Control key can be used to update data in multiple cells simultaneously. Let's see an example. I select the cells where I need same value. I enter the desired value in one cell, and with selection, I hit Control Enter. There you go. All the cells have the same value. It works for non-continuous selections. And for filter as well. To navigate between sheets, use Control Page Up and Page Down. That's all for now. So, which keyboard shortcut you found useful? Let me know in comments. Visit vivran.in for more quick bites. Thanks for watching.